calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone, if we only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors, when the heart of this star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Well done, Sam. Louise, what do you think of Sam's performance?
Oh, well done, Sam. First off, I like that you performed to us. You know that we're watching you through a camera, so you performed directly through that camera. So we kind of connected with you on that level, so that was really good. Your diction is always so spot on. You're so crystal clear. We can understand every single word you say. What I would like you to do is challenge yourself. Like, you sent me a couple of song choices this week, and we went through them, and you sing them all lovely. But I want you to send me a song choice and be like, I'm thinking of singing this week, Louise, and it'd be like, whoa, Sam's gonna sing that. Like, that's what I want you to really challenge yourself, not do a typical Sam song, Sam song like the phone. But I love the changes that you put into the ending, so that it built, so it wasn't the same all the way through. I know we spoke about putting a key change in, but I know it was hard to find a track to match that. But I do like that you changed it, and that last note was really lovely. I probably wouldn't have put it exactly where it was, and I probably would have put it maybe again halfway through, before it went into the next section or something. But I did like the changes, but once again, I just want you to challenge yourself. So, good performance, well done.
Kelly, what do you think?
I think that compared to sort of like what you did for your audition, Come On Land, I think that song's a lot easier for you to sing, so it sort of felt like you were taking a step down from your audition. And I know what you're capable of. I know you can take on these massive songs, so it just felt a little bit flat for me. I liked the fact like it showed off the break in your voice. Every now and again your voice sort of breaks every now and again, and I like that. And I like the fact that you sort of added some changes in to give it a bit more of an impact. But I would have just liked to have seen you take on something with more of a build in it to show off what you can actually do, rather than you creating the build for yourself. I would have liked you to take on a song that's got an actual build, and you can see what you can do with that and take that even further. But apart from that, it was a good song. It was a good performance. Well done.
Yeah, Sam, I mean, like, you've come into the season, you've been with us in the past, and obviously, like, I don't want you to come into this and just waste your time being here. I actually want you to take things on board and learn and grow. And there is still a few things I noticed. I didn't really pick it up on the audition because of, like, the way you were singing the song was like, whoa, he's really going for a year. And I didn't get that in this song particularly, but there was a few bad habits I picked up on, which I was like, oh my God, he so needs to work on these things. And one of the things I noticed is, okay to shut your eyes, but I was thinking, wait there now, it's almost like you were so focused on what you're doing, it's taken away a little bit of what you actually just need to do. And I think you need to just relax a bit more on the song instead of being so focused, because you were mentally just keeping it in your mind like this, and you got your eyes shut, and you're like, right, in your mind, it's almost like you're saying, right, I'm going to do this note and I'm going to end it there. You mustn't do that, because it will take away what we're actually hearing and seeing. So I want you to just be aware of that, of what you're doing, because when you focus too much, sometimes we can overdo things to a point where, wait there now, it doesn't need to be so solid and so constructed and so on form and so detailed in how you're moving and everything. It needs to just be a bit more reserved. But I do want to see you take on bigger songs, maybe some female songs I'd like to hear you sing, because I don't think I've ever heard you sing a female song. But I'd like to see that, just to see where your voice can go in different places other than the standard selection of songs you've got. Because that standard selection, I know they're there and they're a safe choice for you, and you probably do them and you want to do them because you think, do you know what, I like these ones, I know I can do them. It's not always about what we like, it's about what suits us. So just remember that. Challenge yourself, take on different things. Alright, buddy? Other than that, well done. Awesome.